cooking yourself these days? For that, here is the automatic pressure cooker. Press a button, food is ready. Nutri-Pot. Well, it's a combination of 7 cooking appliances. And cooking food is so easy. There is this amazing recipe book of Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Choose any recipe, put in the ingredients, press the button, watch your TV and the food will be ready. How does this magic happen? Because inside this is a microprocessor which is pre-programmed. Dal, rice, curry, mutton curry, chicken curry, soup, you can bake a cake. So many things are pre-programmed. You just press a button and it's ready. Okay, so let's start cooking. Today we'll make a pulao. There is a hard anodized aluminium pan inside. When we begin cooking, what do? First we guno or saute the ingredients. Yes, that setting is also here. So press the saute button. Here it is. Cumin, pepper, bay leaf, my favorite, cinnamon, garlic, onion, nice potato, salt, red chili, some garam masala and a little bit of turmeric. And now we will put some soaked rice. Now we will close the lid. Very smooth operation. Now we are cooking pulao, so we will press the button of pulao. When we cook in the pressure cooker, there is a whole lot of confusion. How many whistles, for which food, which size of pressure cooker, how long to heat it. But in Nutri-Pot, there is no confusion. Just press the button and the food will be ready. And the best thing is, there is a delay timer. So you can put in your ingredients, go for your shopping or picking up the kids. It will start before you come back, and when you come back, hot meal would be ready. Now our food is cooked, the counter has gone down to 0 and the Nutri-Pot has gone into keep warm function. First we need to release the steam.